We're back with another video. After a while, I'm actually using the gimbal, guys, so I don't know how this video is gonna turn out. I haven't used it in a while, so I'm kind of rusty with it, but I want to get back on doing videos and posting stuff for y'all. Right now, guys, we're gonna be heading out to, man, I can't get this thing to work. Right now we're gonna be heading out to the meet. I haven't gone to the meet in a good while. Haven't had no time, but it's Labor Day weekend, and I got a little extra time on my hands, so we're gonna go watch the extended cab because I haven't watched it in a long ass time. We're gonna clear the bed and see what we do, and then we're gonna, I guess, head to the meet. We're supposed to be meeting up with some friends, but nobody's answering. But we're still gonna roll out, guys. Fuck it, solo. Ain't no biggie. So let's get going. So we made it to the meet, guys. It's pretty packed. It's already kind of late. It's like 8 o'clock. But there is a lot of people out here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you right now. I was supposed to come up here with some homeboys, but they bullshit too much. You know, excuse after excuse. So we're out here. Pretty much just me and my girl. We're gonna see what's up. We're gonna try and see if we find somebody to chill with. If not, it is what it is. But let's see what happens, guys. See if we find anything to get into. But let me go ahead and show y'all these trucks. So it's pretty packed, guys. Pretty packed. There's pretty much no parking. It's getting dark. I don't know how good y'all gonna see me, but there really ain't much out here, guys. I'm gonna creep it a little bit more. Then we're gonna hit home, or I don't know, go eat, do some. But I also wanted to talk about the giveaway, guys. The Titan window giveaway. And I'm gonna be doing that giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers, guys. So once I hit that 1,000 subscribers, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give away the window. But for now, guys, I do have something that I'm gonna give away. I bought it to resell it, but I can't resell it. Nobody really wants it, and hopefully one of y'all wants it and could win it. I'm gonna show you right now what it is after we leave from here. So y'all stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. So what's up, guys? It's actually the next day. It's actually Labor Day weekend, and we're heading out to Trucking Fam truck meet. It's already kind of late. It's about to be 7. The truck meet, I think, it ends at 8. But we're just gonna go creep it. I was chilling with my homeboy. We're drinking and just enjoying the day. He's coming. I don't know if y'all can see him. He's like back there, and we're about to head out. So I guess I'm gonna put this clip and yesterday's clip together, and hopefully I enjoy it. I know it's not much. It's not much, guys, but you know, like I said, I've been working and I've been chilling, and there's a lot of shit going on in the background, guys, that a lot of y'all don't know. But we're gonna go out there, guys, and we're gonna chill, hang out, probably go eat after, do something. And tomorrow, guys, is Tuesday, back to work. Ain't no biggie. But let's get to it, guys. Let's get to this meet, see what goes on, see if there's a lot of people out there. ¿Unos pinches saludos o qué, cuz? Mándanos saludos, cuz. Dile que aquí andamos tacuachando al 100. Míralas, míralas. Ahí viene mi compadre güero. Ya. Según. Quemando el cloche a la verga, güey, no mames. Está quemando el cloche, güey, no mames. Está quemando el cloche. Dile, quémalas, a ver. Dile que no quema, que no quema. No quema. A ver. No quema. No quema, quema. Dice el camarada que no quema. ¿Ah? La mía no quema. ¿Quema, cuz, o no quema? ¿Qué? ¿Quema o no quema? Unos saludos para el blog. Unos saludos para el blog, cuz. ¿No? Los miré. Venían con todo el tráfico y toda la actitud. No voy a decir nada, pero pues el blog lo sabe. ¿Qué onda, cuz? No, la mía no quema, cuz. Sale muy caro la transmisión. ¿Me la vas a cambiar tú o no? Ya miraste aquel pelado, güey, que andaba quemando todo el cloche y quiere que me queme la mía. Un saludo a tu mamá, güey. Al Tupperware. ¿No? En unos cuantos años aquí vas a andar cagando el palo ya, güey. ¿Con la Durango o con la troca de tu papá? ¿Cuál te gusta más, la Durango o esta? ¿Esta? A huevo. up, guys? We actually made it out here, and it's all right. You know, it's pretty packed. I think it's like 30 minutes left. Me and my two homeboys rode out, and my other homeboy's about to pull up, but it's pretty much gonna be he's gonna be all late. But you know, the whole point, you know, we made it out here, and I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and let y'all know right now that I'm gonna be giving away some Vortex covers, like the ones I got from my truck. So if y'all want to enter that giveaway, guys, the only thing you have to do pretty much is just share this video, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and that's pretty much it. Other than that, I'm gonna do a post, and I'm gonna do a I'm gonna enter the link in the description below for the giveaway, and just follow the instructions pretty much. I don't know if there's gonna be anything else after this or not, but I don't know. We probably follow the crowd. There's some pretty clean trucks out here, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Señor, llegó muy tarde, señor. Llegó muy tarde, la verga. Pues la pinche foringa está buena, señor, pero ¿qué tiene que decir usted? Unos saludos para el blog ahí, algo, ¿no?
Saludos para toda la raza, los arrastrados.
A la verga, este vato bueno, old school, qué bueno old school. ¿Lo quieren?
Ya no voy a llegar tarde, ¿Qué? ¿Quién llegó? ¿Qué? ¿Los chotas o qué?
It's actually a couple days later. I got busy, and I'm actually trying to finish up this video for y'all, but I wanted to talk about the giveaway, guys, and what I'm gonna give away first, and then I'm gonna talk about the Titan window. For this giveaway, guys, I'm gonna be giving away some Vortex covers. They're off of Denali. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So I'm gonna be giving away these. They're off of Denali, the Escalades. They're 6.0 covers. I actually bought these for cheap, and I was gonna resell them, but I can't really find anybody that wants them. So I'm gonna give them away, guys. I'm gonna be giving those away, and the only thing you have to do is follow me on social media, share this video, enter the giveaway, and if you do win, guys, you just have to show me proof a screenshot of you sharing my video and subscribing to my channel. And that's pretty much gonna be it, guys. I'm gonna put everything in the description. I'm gonna probably have it up for like a week or so, maybe a little bit longer. It depends on how many people enter the giveaway. But yeah, guys, if you're interested in those covers, you know what to do. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave y'all with that, guys. Don't forget, God is good, and keep pushing, guys. Catch you on the next one.